Hi all, today I will show you how to clone new project. So I have created one repository, my demo repository. Here you can see code, issues, pull request, all the actions, projects, everything. Here when you click on code, here one option, green color button. When you click on it, if you want to download, you can download zip file or you can clone the project. Copy this URL and open any folder. This is here I want to clone this project. Open git bash here and type here git clone and paste it here which you have copied the path. Just press on enter. You will clone. Now you will enter into that folder my demo repo. So now you are into master branch. When you open code, Visual Studio Code, here you can see the code. It is file name is index.html. Inside body we have my app, and if you go here when you open here, same code we can see.